Welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Vase. This is a modular origami made with 17 modules. We'll be using 17 square sheets of paper. I have used these memo sheets with 4 different colors. Size of the paper is 8.5 centimeter square. Take 4 sheets in each color and 1 extra sheet for the base. Let's start with the modules. Take 1 square sheet of paper and start with the diagonal fold. Now, to find the center point, fold the model into half and just make a pinch mark here. Open the flap and keep your index finger here and align 2 points of the triangle and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Open the flaps and you can see these 2 points. So bring this tip down to this point and make a crease there. Open the flap and lift one flap and fold inside the triangle as shown. So one module is done. We need 16 such modules. In each color, 4 such modules. Put the glue on this triangle and take the first module and insert it as shown. Join all the 4 modules in the same way. Now one row is done. Apply the glue on the first triangle and insert it in the last triangle to make a ring shape. So one ring is done. Create all the 4 rings using different colors. Then we can assemble it. After you are done with making all the 4 rings, take one ring which is going to be the base. Take a same color paper to cover the bottom. Start with the cross crease. Bring all the corners to the center point. This is called as blind space. Now open the triangles. We are going to tuck in these triangles inside the triangle pockets. You can use little bit of glue to fix it firm. It is little bit difficult if you put the glue first and then tuck it in. It will not easily slide in. So first you can put the triangles inside the triangle pockets and then take a toothpick and put little bit of glue on the toothpick and you can use it. I have used that method for the 4th flap. Like this. So the base is ready. Take the second ring. Then apply the glue on these 4 triangles. Then stick it on this triangle as shown. Stick all the sides. Here you can see a square crease line. This is not flat, this is little bit of valley fold. When I hold it like this, you can see here in the center line is little bit valley folded. After fixing the second ring, you can fix the third and fourth ring in the same manner. Modular origami vase is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.